The distant vision is clinically tested with Snellen's chart. Snellen's chart has a series of printed letters of varying sizes, black on a white background, and arranged in 7 lines. The top letter, the largest, is visible to the naked eye at a distance of 60 meters, and the subsequent letters at a distance of 36, 24, 18, 12, 9, 6 meters respectively. The distance for each line are indicated above it. The letters are to design that from a specific distance, the letter as a whole subtend an angle of 5 minutes of arc at a nodal point, while the breadth of each line and the breadth of gaps between two lines subtend an angle of 1 minute of arc at nodal point. The subject is seated at a distance of 6 meters or 20 feet from a well-lighted chart. After that, subject is asked to read the letters down the chart as far as she can read. Right eye and left eye is tested separately. Visual acuity is recorded according to the formula. Visual acuity is equals to small d upon capital D, where small d is the distance at which letters are read and capital D is the distance at which the letters should be read by a person with normal vision. Thus, if only the top letter can be read, the visual acuity is 6 by 60, and if the subject can read only first 4 lines, then visual acuity is 6 by 18, and so on. A normal person should be able to read 7th line. That is, visual acuity is equals to 6 by 6 or 20 by 20 in terms of feet. It is also called 20/20 vision. If visual acuity is less than 6 by 60, subject is moved towards the chart until the subject can read the top letter. If the visual acuity is 2 by 60, the subject can read it at 2 meters. If the visual acuity is less than 1 by 60, recorded as counting fingers or by hand movements or by perception of light and no perception of light. Now we will perform the test for near vision with the help of Jaggers chart. Subject is asked to read Jaggers chart held at the ordinary reading distance of 15 inches. Jaggers chart is made up of reading material of various sizes with the smallest size at the bottom. The subject reads the material down the chart and visual acuity is recorded as the smallest type can be read comfortably. The results used to be expressed as N36, N18, N12, N10, N8 and N6. What is visual acuity? Visual acuity is the ability to see the details and contours of the object easily. Visual acuity is tested both for distant and near vision. Distant vision is tested with the help of Snellen's chart, while near vision is tested with the help of Jaggers chart. If perceived as 2, they subtend an angle of 1 minute at the nodal point. This angle of 1 minute is also called visual angle. Nodal point is at middle of the lens and is the optical center of the eye.